Hey guys, it's your girl Brandy back again with another video, and yes, I'm looking totally crazy. I've been working all day. I currently work from home for my full-time job, but on today's video is going to be another cook with me. And I am going to show you guys, or you can see from the title, on how I make my very cheesy lasagna. So stay with me and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm starting off. I got some olive oil right here that I'm about to put in this pan. So I got my pan and then I got my pot right there with the water for my noodles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little olive oil on my pan. Now I'm using ground beef, and I normally use like ground turkey, but I had a really good deal on some meat at the business Costco. My pan is really hot right now too. So I'm using that. Let me turn my fire down just a smidge because this side gets really hot. And I am going to go ahead while that water is starting to heat up and get hot. Hold on one second. Put you guys there. Okay. I am going to go ahead and use my ground beef here. And I've already washed my hands, you guys, so normally I have my helpers, you know, my girls usually like to help me, but they're in their rooms and I don't know what they're doing. Alright guys, so I'm back from washing my hands. So there's my ground beef. And I'm going to go ahead and break it up out of this because it was in a tube. Like, I went to the business Costco and got that really big tube of ground beef, and I just broke it up in like 3 sections and froze some. So I'll just break it up out of that tube kind of form. So we can spread this out and start cooking evenly. Okay. Loosen that up some because it was in the deep freezer. Okay. Now that my meat is in there, I'm going to turn this fire up just a little bit back to medium. So I'm going to go ahead and season up. I got that Lowry seasoned salt. And you guys should know by now, I do not measure. I eyeball and I go for my taste buds. I've been cooking too many years to not know. Then I got some fine ground black pepper. Okay. Then I got granulated garlic, or garlic, salt, garlic pepper, whatever you want to call it. And I like garlic, so I pretty much douse it in garlic. Then I have some Italian seasoning. And I go pretty good with this one too. Okay. And then I take just a little bit of the Creole seasoning. Alright. And then we're going to let this cook down, and I'll come back when this is all brown. Alright guys, so now my water's starting to boil, so I'm adding a little oil to the water. Then I'm going to get my lasagna noodles down and throw those in the water. The meat is almost brown, so I'm going to strain that off in a minute. Still got a little pink like right up in there. And I'm trying to break down some of these other parts. So once I strain it, then I'm gonna throw in my bell pepper and onion that I cut up earlier. So now that the meat is back in there, I just strained it off. I'm putting in my onions and pepper that I cut up earlier. And then I add a little bit of the minced garlic. If I could ever get the thing open. Alright, so then now I'm going to get this all cooking up. So that's all looking good. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit more till where the onions and peppers start to get translucent. I got my noodles over here boiling. And then in a few minutes, once this is all good, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the spaghetti sauce. So yep, about 5 minutes with this. Let it get cooked down a little bit. Alright you guys, I've already put in 1 jar, but I'm gonna go ahead and mix this around, because I definitely know that's not enough sauce. I like my stuff saucy. The goal is to coat all of your meat, onions, and everything with the sauce, but still mix it in thoroughly. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my 2nd jar of the ragu. I use the tomato, garlic, and onion. Okay. I'm gonna turn this fire down just a little bit because I want it to simmer for a few minutes while I set everything else up. Strain off my noodles, and then I'm gonna make my ricotta mix. Setting this sucker up. There we go. Okay, let me let this sit and simmer for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back to show you guys my ricotta sauce. Alright you guys, so in this bowl, I'm going to mix in my ricotta cheese. That open. I'm gonna pop that in there. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of cayenne. I do a dash of cayenne, just a tiny bit like that. So my kids be hollering, I ain't got time for all the noise. Do a little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna do some black pepper. And then parsley flakes. Okay, I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all together. I wanna kind of blend it, mix it all together, all the seasonings with the ricotta. Alright guys, so I put spray in my pan and I line my pan the best way I can. I only have so many noodles left, so that's, I'm gonna have to deal with what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some of my ricotta mixture down. And I'm gonna put half of that on this bottom layer, I have enough for 2 layers. And again, my hands are clean because because I've been doing this. I've been in the kitchen. So I'm gonna just spread that out as much as I can. And Ruben's in the background making noise trying to talk mess. And I hear him. I need a little more in that corner. Okay, so don't forget, this is cheese. This ricotta is cheese. I like mine cheesy with different cheeses. Miss Reagan over here making a little face. Yeah. Alright, so I have my pan close to the meat sauce. I'm gonna just stir that through for a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and start layering this in here and move it around as I put it in. About like everybody all quiet.
Juicy.
Look different.
It looks like when we had the Sloppy Joes a little bit.
Yeah, how does it look different, Ozzy?
Like Reagan said. And it was like, what deer? I forgot what she was making. Rotel.
Yeah.
Without the cheese.
Because of with the onions and peppers, probably. That's what y'all noticed.
Yeah.
That's how I made it last time, though, with the onions and peppers. Reagan wasn't here.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Alright, so I already have some mozzarella cheese here that I already sliced. So I'm going to layer that in here. Actually, I'm going to put my Kobe Jack down first. Yep. Anybody who watches my cooking videos, y'all know I go to Costco and I use the Kobe Jack. So that's one big handful. Probably gave, yeah, 2 good handfuls. And then I'm gonna just layer this sucker with mozzarella. Then I have some thinner ones that I'm gonna put in between. And this layer is not the prettiest because that's at the bottom, so all that is gonna do is just melt together. Rosie, I'm missing the spot?
Right here.
Yeah, right that way.
Alright, that's good? Mm-hmm. Alright, because my girls said they like it cheesy.
Up here.
Oh,
Yep.
over here?
Yeah. Can't forget about that part.
Alright, hold on, let me do this. That's better?
Right here.
Oh my lord. That's good?
Yeah.
No, and Rosie. Alright, so I'm coming back with the second row of noodles.
Is this in the middle drawer?
Oh, well, I still need that. Alright guys, so this is my top layer. And I'm putting more cheese now on top of that mozzarella and covering all the corners, all the good. Let me getting all up in there. And then this is about to go in the oven for about 30-45 minutes. And then we'll be back to show you the end result. Alright guys, so it's out of the oven. I just pulled it out, still nice and hot. I'm gonna let it set for about 10-15 minutes before we eat it, but you could clearly see like right in there how that mozzarella melted. I'm gonna put a little quick salad together, like a little lazy salad, what they call the little salad kits. And we're gonna get down to eating. Alright, I have to come back real quick and show you guys how it looks when I pull it out. I just cut it. So there we go. Nice and cheesy, and I got a nice little salad. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment down below. Give this video a like or a thumbs up, shall I say, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, or have other people subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.